Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. I'm Kaylee and I'm excited to introduce you to SkySlope. If you're new to SkySlope, it's a powerful, fully integrated transaction platform designed specifically for real estate professionals. From contract to close, it provides your team with all the tools needed to work efficiently and deliver the ultimate experience for our clients. So let's dive in and learn how to get the most out of SkySlope. When you first log into SkySlope, you'll land on the main screen. Here, you can search for properties by address in the search bar at the top. SkySlope also lets you manage key areas like scheduling closings, accessing active listings, tracking pending properties, viewing under contract and closed deals, and even expired listings. There's also a More option for accessing archives, tasks, reminders, and work documents, which are super helpful for staying organized. To get started with a new transaction, click on Create New Transaction. You'll be prompted to select the side you're representing, buyer, seller, or both. If you already have an executed contract, use the Under Contract option. Next, you'll enter the MLS number to automatically pull up the property's details, including the address and type of property. Review these details to ensure everything is accurate. Once the property information is set, you'll move on to enter the purchase price, contract date, closing date, and any additional details needed. After entering the property details, you'll add the buyer's and seller's information. Enter their first name, last name, email, and phone number. If the buyer is a company, there's an option to add the company's name and select it as the main buyer. You'll do the same for the seller, and remember, only agents who have an active SkySlopes account can be added here. Next, we'll add the title company information. In the title company section, you'll enter the name of the title agent or attorney handling the closing, along with their contact information, including email and phone number. Now, here we will select if there's a loan officer in the transaction, if there's a transaction coordinator and referral agent. Then, you'll input the commission breakdown. This area is where you specify your commission, and it's easy to adjust if needed. Select if there's any additional information. After this, we will submit and the transaction will be created. One essential part of SkySlope is uploading documents to keep your transaction organized. To upload a document, click Attach in the checklist. This will open an upload window where you can simply drag and drop your file. Once it's uploaded, the document status changes to In Review, meaning it's ready for review by your team or manager. If needed, you can also add a note to clarify any details for the reviewer. Once everything is complete, the reviewer will update the status to Accepted or provide feedback if anything is missing. And that's it. SkySlope makes it easy to track your transactions and keep everything in one place. Thanks for tuning in. With SkySlope, you're ready to make transactions smoother than ever. Remember, we're here if you need support. See you next time.